Hey, this is MC. In this video, I will demonstrate for you a beautiful haircut that I believe is a perfect classic haircut. And it's something that's actually coming back big time from Europe to United States, where the hairstyles are more a longer, not necessarily fade as much. It has a nice taper on the sides and a nice taper as well on the back. It's a scissor sectioning haircut, a lot of sectioning and scissor work. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. It shows me that you guys care for my videos. Put a thumbs up. I would appreciate, and make a comment. I really appreciate that. It helps me with my next video and it motivates me to make videos for you guys. Also, we are working on the subscription on YouTube, where we'll be showing you guys every single technique that we do in the barbershop, give you tons of tips and techniques for men's hairstyling. And the subscription will be literally $19.95, which is less than one haircut a month. So look forward to it. Education is the key. I won almost every major barber competition. I was number 2 in the world. But this month I'm taking actually time to go to Poland and train for 3 days, get myself better. So thank you so much guys for watching. Here it is, the video. Basically I created the outline overall. And then now I am using my old school X Pro clippers with open blade, removing the bulk of the hair. I'm basically freehanding here. Once I remove the bulk, I create my line there for a fade or a taper with the edges, or my clippers fully closed, and then I simply remove that line, opening and closing my lever on my clippers. Pretty much I do the same thing here on the side. As you can see, and using a half guard. Old school clippers are, it's a Mexican brand. It's actually a very beautiful clipper. That's all I use. Regarding the guards, they are the wool clipper guards are universal, basically, almost universal. They fit all of these new companies. So I definitely like a half guard from wool, and I use it a lot with this particular clipper. Here, to connect the sides with the top, I use a razor. It's a straight edge razor, and I simply sculpt into the sides. As you can see here, all these techniques, breakdown of these techniques, will be on my YouTube subscription, member subscription base, teaching you in details how to execute these techniques step by step. It's one thing to watch things on video, it's another thing to be coached. If learning from videos only would be sufficient, no professional will ever have a coach. Coaching is extremely important. Sometimes you can watch, but you don't really learn because you don't see what you are looking at. We are not always ready for education. We have to learn before we can accept education. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I've been very busy this year. I wasn't able to do much videos. I was building a house, but now that I'm done with my house and all the projects, I'm gonna get back to be more active on social media and create content for you. As you can see here, I have a beautiful taper, beautiful layering. This haircut overall is a beautiful haircut. once again, guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. It simply shows me that you really care about my work, and I appreciate that very much. Put that thumbs up and give me a comment, and I'll be more than happy to respond to your comments. Thank you so much once again. MC Barber here. Take care of yourself.
Go.